let's look at our example 2 on exponential equation. Okay, so we're going to solve these examples together. We're going to solve 3. We'll solve 3 together, and then you solve one on your own. Okay, so let's call this activity 2. Alright guys, so let's solve these examples together. Solve the following exponential equation. Number 1, 25 raised to power 2 plus 2x equals to 625. Okay, so of course we can change it to the same base. If you don't want to change to base 5, you can change to base 25, but let's just change to base 5. Okay, so 25 to base 5 is 5 to the power of 2, put bracket because of the power there before, equals to 5 raised to power 4. 625 is 5 raised to power 4. Now you have same base, cancel the base and then equate the powers. So we have 2 bracket 2 plus 2x equals to 4, open the bracket, 4 plus 4x equals to 4, collect like terms, 4x equals to 4 minus 4, so 4x equals to 0, which implies x equals to 0. If we divide both sides by 4, we have x equals to 0. That solves for number 1. Number 2, 125 raised to power 2x plus 3 equals to 25 raised to power 2x minus 2. So we are going to change to base 5 because both of them can be expressed as base 5. So this will be 5 raised to power 3 bracket 2x plus 3 equals to 5 raised to power 2 bracket 2x minus 2. So we have same base 5 now, so we cancel the base and then we equate the powers. So that will be 3 bracket 2x plus 3 equals to 2 bracket. So this is 2 guys. So this is 6x plus 9 equals to 4x minus 2. So collect like 10, we have 6x minus 4x equals to minus 2 minus 9. Are we following? Minus 2 minus 9 because we have 2x minus 2 here, and then we have 2x plus 3. So 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 2 times 3 is 4, and 2 times 2, that is 4. Sorry. So this is 4. So we have minus 2x equals to minus 13, right? And x equals to minus 13. So this is plus all over 2. So x equals to minus 6 over number 1 over 2. So that is what we are going to have. Let's check very well again. So now pause the video and solve number 3 and 4. Pause the video and solve number 3 and 4. Welcome back. Now let's check if your answer is correct. Number 3, 11 raised to power minus 4x plus 2 minus 1 equals to 0. So you can collect like terms, take minus 1 to the other side. Minus 4x plus 2 equals to 1. Okay, you know that anything raised to power 0 is 1. We have base 11 on the left, so it will make sense to say the right is equals to 11 raised to power 0 so that we can solve the equation. Because any number raised to power 0 is what? So we do 11 raised to power 0. Now that they have the same base, we equate the powers. So that will be minus 4x plus 2 equals to 0, or minus 4x equals to minus 2, x equals to minus 2 all over minus 4, which is 1 over 2. So therefore x equals to 1 over 2. So this is how you solve this kind of equation, guys. So you're going to mark the steps and award yourself. So if you get it up to this place, mark here, mark here, and mark here. So this is a 2, 2, 1. Okay, let's take the next one. Number 4, 16 raised to power minus 3x minus 1 equals to 64 raised to power 2x plus 5. Number 4, 16 raised to power minus 3x minus 1 equals to 64 raised to power 2x plus 5. Okay, we're going to change both of them to the same base. So we can use base 2, we can also use base 4. So let's use base 4 since it is simpler. That will be 4 raised to power 2 minus 1. Remember, you have to put the power before in bracket. 64 is 4 raised to power 3 into 2x plus 5. Now we have the same base, so we cancel the base and then equate the powers. So we have 2 brackets 3 minus 1 equals to 3 brackets 2x plus 5. Okay, then you open the bracket, we have minus 6x minus 2 equals to 6x plus 3 times 5. That would be 15, right? Good. Let's check very well. So this is 2 minus 6x minus 2 equals to 3 times 2, 6x minus that. If we collect like terms, we have minus 6x minus 6x equals to 15 plus 2. So this is minus 12x equals to 15 plus 2, that will be 17, right? 16, 17. So x equals to 17 all over minus 12. So let's check if there's no mistake there. So we have minus 3x minus 1. 16 is 4 raised to power 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. Correct. 64 is 4 raised to power 3. So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. So if you collect like 10, we have minus 12x equals to minus 2 will go here, that become plus 17. So therefore the answer is x equals to minus 1 whole number. The remainder will be what? 5 over 12. So if this is what you got, you're going to mark the step here, mark here, mark here, mark here. So this is 1, 2, 1, 1. So if you get everything, you mark yourself 10 over 10. Okay. So in our next example, we'll be looking at a more complex exponential equation. See you there. Bye.